There are 5 ways to change the temperature and the fan speed in your BYD Shark. First option. You press the button for the temperature control, and in here you either tap or slide to increase and lower the fan speed. And for the temperature, you can tap and slide, or you press the button to reduce or to increase the temperature. Now going back. Second option. You press the air conditioning logo, or tap and slide to the right for increasing fan speed, slide to the left to lower fan speed. Same with the temperature. You tap the temperature and then you slide to the right to increase, slide to the left to lower it. Another nice little hidden feature, if you press and hold the front button, you can do the internal circulation or ventilation. So at the moment it is defrosting for the front screen. So that's another little Easter egg hidden option for you to know about. Third option. 3 fingers on the screen tab and move up and down to increase and lower the temperature. Again, 3 fingers tap to the left and to the right to lower and increase fan speed. Fourth option. Hey BYD.
Hi there.
I'm cold.
Okay, I've raised the temperature by 1 degree.
Lower the temperature to 20 degrees.
Got it. Setting the temperature to 20 degrees.
That is way too cold now.
All right, the temperature is going up by 3 degrees.
Increase fan speed to 3.
All right, fan speed is now set to 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As you can see, the voice assistant, you can talk to the voice assistant and it can adjust the temperature, the fan speed for you. You can also use this for heated and ventilated seats to activate and deactivate. Fifth and last option, press the button on the steering wheel, the button with the microphone on. Increase temperature to 25 degrees.
All right, the temperature is set to 25 degrees.
Turn on heated seats passenger side.
Sure, I'll turn on seat heating in the passenger seat.
Increase fan speed to 5.
All right, fan speed is now set to 5.
Turn off AC.
All right, AC is off.